Hey guys, how's it going? It's Joe here from Elements for Life. Today I just want to have a quick chat about the pull-up, how there's a few variations, and today I'll just be talking about the closed grip and an open hand grip. For those who are starting out the gym and just working on their pull-ups, it's probably a good idea to keep it closed, so we're building good strength through your forearm and your wrists, and also it's teaching you a better way to position yourself. The open hand grip, that is through different trainings and different goal setting. It is a good idea, however, it is more prone to more extension in your back, and extension in your back is not ideal unless you're doing a certain type of training, but what you want to try and achieve is your core on, your ribs are down, having a good strong position, so your shoulders are in a good position, and also try and avoid having your legs up as well. That does aid to the extension in your back. So this is just a quick conversation about that. I want you to tag a friend, do some pull-ups, and I'll see you in the next time.